every day is a fun day and keep smiling. Today we're going to be drawing birdie. I'm so excited. So let's begin. So you have to keep your hands like this and like this, and then your thumb finger like this. See? I'm a little lion thingy. Okay, so now we have to extend it. Woohoo! Like a slide. Then we go up there. Woohoo! Like that. So now we have to draw like a U from here. Whoa! Then we have to do like a zigzag bridge. And then, okay, then we have to do 2 of them over here. Then do a little eye. Then we need to draw a beak. Then the legs, like this. To draw another zigzag line over here. Color! I'm so excited to color. I think I'm going to choose this color. It's going to be really nice. Maybe over here. Finish with the red. Now we're gonna do the other colors. Gonna do pink. Pinky pink pink, my favorite color. Okay, done with the pinky pink pink. Now we're going to do the purple. Here's the beautiful purple that actually goes along with pink. Finished. Now we're gonna do some, let me see, some dark blue. Purple, I think goes purple too, but this goes red. I feel like this is very satisfying because this is the only dark marker that has the like the darker color. Okay. Oh, it's perfect. So now I think I'm going to do a design, maybe Or yeah, I'm gonna do a design that's gonna like, I know what design I'm gonna do. I'm going to do these 4 colors to make that design. Whoa, it's so cool because like when I touch it, it's so wet. Okay, now I'm gonna do like a hot sauce mustard and wasabi design. It's gonna be so cool. Which hot sauce and mustard? Yeah, got all of the colors. So hot sauce, mustard, and wasabi, right? This bird drawing was the best because like look at it, it's a pink, red, like dark side and like a light side, like a blue and like some colors. The rainbow looks like a bird. I drew it and colored it mostly amazingly. And don't forget that like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment for more videos. Don't forget to press the notification bell. Ding 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 ding.